Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. This is our evening time drive time update, guys. And remember, this video is not financial advice. This video is only for educational purposes only. And this is the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto in the house, guys. So, guys and gals, today is my day off, so that's why I only got 2 videos out there. And we got lots to talk about, of course. It looks like we are seeing a bit of a recovery in the crypto space right now. We are seeing that the crypto markets are going up. We're seeing Bitcoin is going up as well. We're seeing generally a little bit of life, a little bit of CPR. CPR has gone back into the cryptos right now. So that is good news in the house. So hopefully, as I said earlier in my previous videos, I think we're going to see a reversal, guys. It's not over. And I'm going to share with you some technical data from a lot of experts out there that just, this is a huge, big fake out before the breakout, guys. And we've been here before. Back when we had that big crash in late April, early May, we saw that Bitcoin was at $29,000 for almost 3 months, and then we had a breakout to the all-time high, and so I wouldn't be panicking too much. I think that we're going to see a big reversal. This is a fake out before the breakout, guys. So I just want to give you guys some hope here. We're going to look into some huge technical analysis that really indicates to me that this is not over by any stretch of the imagination, guys. I think that we're going to be going up, and what I have done is I have bought a lot of Bitcoin yesterday. I bought a lot of Bitcoin today, and I'm going to be continuing to buy more Bitcoin. And what I've been doing is one of my strategies is I've been taking some of my altcoins that are in huge profit, and I have been selling them, and I have been buying Bitcoin. Monday, when the banks open, I'm going to be also buying some more Bitcoin. I'll be transferring some of my fiat to my exchange, and then buying some more Bitcoin, Ethereum as well. And I'm still holding on to my layer 1 coins, guys. I'm not touching my layer 1, like Phantom, Luna, Solana, Avalanche, Dot, all of these coins in the house. I'm keeping them, guys. I also did a pin to ADA as well when ADA had dropped below $1. So I told you we would get there. I absolutely told you that we would get there, and we got there, guys. So I'm up right now a little bit, and I'm just walking through the resort, guys. So if I fall over, it's because I tripped and out there. So this is kind of the resort where I am right now, and this is where I'm living right now. So we're doing pretty good. The resort's opening. We've been running for quite some time now. So things are getting up there. Things are getting better. But getting back to crypto, guys. So we are also seeing that the leverage trading, the leverage traders have learned. They have stopped now. The amount of leverage trading has come to a huge slowdown. So that's really what we need, because we saw almost $1.1 billion worth of leverage traders got wrecked in the house. So I'm glad that I don't want to say I'm glad that they got wrecked. I never like to say that when anyone gets wrecked, but they have to learn that they need to stop doing that, because what it does is it wrecks it for everybody out there. It wrecks it not only for them, and they deserve it, but it also wrecks it for the spot traders. So they kind of ruin it for everybody else, guys. So that is it's too bad for them. That's all I got to say. The other thing that's been happening as well, as you guys know, that Bitcoin is almost at 50% from its all-time highs. Now, a lot of people are, in fact, they do take loans against their crypto, against their Bitcoin, against this, against that. So, but what's happening now, because Bitcoin is now down almost 50% right now, what's happening is that they're getting their margin calls right now. And that is not good in the house, guys, because they're getting their margin calls. So because they borrowed cash against their crypto, guys. So that is not too good. So that's another reason why we saw some downward pressure. But I think that we're going to see Bitcoin absolutely start to go uppity up soon. So that is very good in the house, guys. So I think you're going to love it. I'm going to love it. So let's jump into content without any further delay, guys. I think you're going to love it. And so, guys, let's get it, guys. Absolutely, let's get it. I love it. You love it. Let's get it. This is Daryl. Guys and gals, so it looks like the OG got it right again. I predicted that the markets were going to go up, and they're going up, guys. So that is great news in the house. As I talked about in the intro, I do not think that crypto is going to continue to go down. I think we're going to see a reversal coming, and I'm going to show you some evidence why I believe that the reversal is coming, guys. Do not forget to go back and watch all of my other videos, guys. Watch the other videos in the house. You're going to love it. I'm going to love it, guys. So let's get it, guys. So we're seeing right now that the fear and greed index is at 11, and actually I'm quite surprised, considering considering that, the whole cryptos have gone down, considerably for the last couple of days. We're seeing a reversal. We're going to jump into why it's reversing and what's going on with that. But we're seeing right now that, the fear and greed index is only at 11. And I was really expecting this to be much, much lower. And the last time we saw this was back in May after that whole big Elon Musk China FUD crash. So right now, if we look at the heat map in the house, we're seeing a beautiful color. It's absolutely a beautiful color. It's the same color as the rice field behind me, and it's green, guys. And we're seeing everything going up. We're seeing Bitcoin going up. We're seeing Ethereum going up. We're seeing everything going up. So this is what we anticipated, and I did talk about it here. I did crypto crash reversal, and I did talk about it. I also talked about the crypto bounce tomorrow. So guys and gals, I did predict it. It is happening exactly as I predicted. So this is really good news in the house right now. So if we look at fear and capitulation, you can see that 2.5 billion in net realized losses yesterday, and you can see that a lot of these losses were really because of the leverage trader, guys. But interestingly, Bitcoin has experienced 2 big net realized loss days in summer 2021, and this pattern was very similar when we had this whole big Debbie Downer event. Remember with China and Elon Musk, and we saw this back in May, June, July, and then we had this big huge impulse to the upside. So we're seeing post-peak 2 price drop for a month before substantial reversal. So I really believe that if we look at the net realized profit and loss for Bitcoin right now, we're definitely going to be seeing a huge reversal coming in soon. And I think this is pre-programmed in the price, guys. Absolutely pre-programmed in the price. And you can see we saw this here way back in July. We saw it back in June, and we're seeing it again right now, guys. We're absolutely seeing it again right now. And I believe that this is more and more evidence that we're going to be seeing, and we're going to print a huge reversal in the house, guys. So you guys absolutely need to just be patient, guys. Be absolutely patient. And we have been here before. Bitcoin has been here before, guys. So you can see this is from Dan Crypto. He's saying, BTC, I do agree the chart isn't looking the best. And I agree, it's not looking the best right now if you're zooming in. But if you zoom out, guys, you can see that we've been here before. We've actually been here before. So this is nothing new. And in fact, not only have we been here before, but the current support level is at a much higher price. And if we take off with the same amount of velocity and the same amount of impulse, and the fractal does exactly the same thing it did in August before its huge rise that we saw, end of August, September, and October, and then boom in November, we could be definitely seeing $100,000 coming in. And yes, this can break, which more likely as it gets tested more and more. But selling support is almost never that good to move, guys. So I really believe that we're going to see a huge move. And also right now we're seeing that Bitcoin, if you look at Bitcoin right now on the RSI, this is on the daily, you can see that Bitcoin right now, you can see that the RSI is hugely oversold. And this just means that Bitcoin's going to have a huge reversal coming in soon, guys. And I think that you're going to see that the MACD is going to start to turn green soon. And you can see here, guys, we were absolutely here before. And this lasted almost 3 months. We had our first crash down, and that was like in May, right? Remember in May when we were at 58,000, and we went all the way down, and we kind of just went sideways between 38,000 and a low as 29, and 29,000 held as a huge support, guys. So you guys can, if I just map this out, you can see the 29,000 in the house, which is around about here, around about there. It held as huge support, guys, and I don't believe that Bitcoin is going to go down that far, guys. So it held as huge support, and we've actually been here before. So that's why I wouldn't be panicking in the house right now. So let's just clean up this chart. So where are we right now on this chart? You can see here that we're just dropped below our $38,000 level, and I'm not panicking in the house. We have this huge support at around $29,000, and I do not believe we're going to get that far down. I think the worst that we're going to see probably is we could see that Bitty could go down 31, 32,000, but we have seen huge support again. And if you're buying Bitcoin at this price right now where we are, last time that we saw Bitcoin around this price was way back in July. So you guys are basically being catapulted 6 months in the past, and this is a good time, absolutely good time to be buying a dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin. Like I said in the intro, I bought a ton of Bitcoin already, and we can see here, this goes back to the May crash, and you can see that we have huge support around about 29,000 $369. And I don't believe we're going to get there. I do not believe we're going to go that far down, and I think we're going to see a huge reversal coming in for Bitcoin. And when that happens, it's going to take the Dogecoin, it's going to take the Shiba Inu up, and we're actually seeing Shiba Inu having a huge pump today. We're actually seeing Dogecoin having a bit of a pump today. So this is a huge pump it up weekend. It's Sunday right here in Vietnam, and probably a Saturday evening for everybody in America, right? Saturday early morning. I'm bad, and we're seeing that it's Sunday morning in Asia, in Europe, guys. So I think that we're going to see a huge reversal, and I might even expect to see a bull walking past. And we did see one yesterday in my previous video, and this is a bullish indicator because it was a bull, guys. And I think it's a great time to be alive, guys. So hopefully you guys are feeling a little bit more positive. And this is from Revealing Raven in the House. BTC has been foretold. So we're seeing this whole pattern here. You can see it right here, and this pattern has been foretold, and we could see ourselves going up to like $360,000, in the house, guys. So this is really interesting how we can see that this is the S&P. This is the S&P index right now, and we can see that this has happened. Then the S&P broke to the upside, a huge break to the upside, guys, and then we had the S&P go down a little bit, and we can see that we're seeing that the Bitcoin is doing exactly the same thing that the S&P did, and if this S&P breakout is indicative of where we could see Bitcoin, we could see Bitcoin having a huge break to the upside, guys. So I'm still pretty positive. I'm still pretty bullish out there, and you can see this is from Unchained College, and what he's saying here is, I love Bitcoin, and I love Bitcoin even more when the realized profit and loss falls below 1 and drops into the red zone. Keep it simple, guys. We have seen Bitcoin drop into these zones before. We saw Bitcoin drop in May, June, July. We saw it in August here, and then we had a huge run to the upside. And we're seeing it again right here, right now. And I believe this is the indicative of that we've absolutely hit bottom. And I believe that Bitcoin's going to have a reversal, and we're going to the top side, guys. We're seeing right now in the last 24 hours, we had almost $442 million worth of leverage position being wrecked, guys. And most of those have been Bitcoin, Ethereum, Luna, Phantom, Atom, ADA, Solana, and Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is being leverage traded as well, guys. So you're seeing right now, you can see that the short positions are actually outweighing the long positions right now. So the dumb money is leverage trading. They're aping it in again, and they're going to get wrecked, guys. And this could actually push Bitcoin into a short squeeze, and we could see huge price spikes coming in, guys. So let's take a look at the Doge right now. So Doge is looking pretty good. It's getting back into my trend line, so that is pretty good. And if we continue going on this trajectory, we can see 13 cents has become a support line. We're also seeing right now that we're seeing 15 cents as our next level of resistance, and I think we could get back up there pretty soon, guys. So some news that's coming in: Bitcoin nouveau rich are flocking into Puerto Rico for big tax savings. So right now, if you're an American and you want to avoid capital gains tax on your crypto, what you do is you move to Puerto Rico. You need to stay there a minimum of 183 days, and you have no capital gains tax. So we're seeing more and more of the crypto rich, and more of the rich are moving to Puerto Rico. So that's why me and the OG and the family, we're thinking about moving to Dubai as well, to avoid any capital gains tax on our crypto, guys. So that's pretty bullish news in the house, guys. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. So Bitcoin, and also too, the other thing we need to talk about is the Bitcoin mining difficulty and hash rate is at all-time highs, and there is absolutely no signs of the Bitcoin miners selling any of their Bitcoin. Remember, right now, to mine one Bitcoin costs around anywhere between $20,000 to $21,000. And at these current price levels for Bitcoin, we're not going to see the miners start to sell. If the miners do start to sell their Bitcoin, then that will cause a huge dumpity-dum-dum like never before, and Bitcoin could be seriously under threat. But we're nowhere close to that, guys, and we're seeing right now that the hash rate is the highest it's ever been, guys. It's absolutely the highest it's ever been, and that is cool beans in the house, guys. We're also seeing that in the last 4 days, FT Pool has been the highest contributor to the hash rate by mining 88 BTC blocks, followed by Poolin at 76 blocks. As of yesterday, the average fee per transaction is roughly about $1.58, a value that historically peaked at 62.78 back in April. So guys, Bitcoin transaction fee is extremely low, and we're seeing that the miners are still mining, the hash rate is still picking up, guys. So, and we're still seeing that the illiquid supply of Bitcoin on exchanges is still going down. We had a momentary influx where people are selling, but we're seeing that the retail investors have been shaken out, guys. So this is really cool news in the house. The other thing that we need to keep an eye on, I keep repeating myself, but on the 26th of January we have the whole Fed meeting, guys. So that is really cool. You guys need to keep an eye on that, and hopefully we get some positive news, and that will send Bitcoin higher and higher. If we get some negative news, it's gonna send Wall Street down, and that could also threaten to send the crypto down. So, but right now we're seeing a sweet reversal in the house. If you look at the currently total value locked in chains, you can see that Ethereum is number 1, it's down 17%. Terra is number 2. We're seeing BSC number 3. And look at Phantom, guys. Phantom has picked up 50% in terms of total TVL, total value locked in the chain is at 11.35 billion. And if we look at this right here, Phantom is still hugely undersold. That's why I'm going to be aping into more Phantom as well, probably later today or tomorrow, guys, because you can see that Phantom is absolutely going on fire. And guys, and if you guys go over to Spooky Swap right now, and you guys are farming right now, and like, look at this, guys, I'm farming USD and Phantom pairs, and right now the OG is getting 218% APY, guys. APY. So that is huge, guys. So this is another way that, when the markets are down, you can actually put your crypto to work, because I am absolutely not planning on selling any of my Phantom. I'm hodling and holding. So what I've done is I've taken some USDC, matched equal amounts of Phantom USDC, and now I'm farming them, and I'm getting 218% interest, guys. Like, I'm going to double my money, right? Not only double, I'm going to triple my money at 218%. So I'm going to 2x it, guys. So that is cool beans in the house, guys. So this is also another way that when markets are going down, you can offset some of your losses by absolutely farming, guys. This is not financial advice. Absolutely not financial advice. This is what the OG is doing. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu right now. So Shiba Inu is looking pretty good right now. Shiba Inu is at 22, and that is really good. That's where we need to get, but we have some resistance right now at 24. So we need to see Shiba Inu get past that, but we're seeing a little bit of a V-shaped recovery for Shiba Inu, so hopefully this will continue. So that is looking very bullish and very positive in the house. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum right now is also coming back, guys, and it's at $2,500. Hopefully we can get ourselves back to 2,700, which is going to be our resistance, and I think we could see a V-shaped recovery not only for Ethereum. We're also seeing Phantom coming back. Phantom is absolutely on fire right now, and Phantom's up 15.69%. So that is huge in the house, guys. Absolutely, I'm so excited about Phantom. We're also seeing that Solana is also coming back right now, and Solana is up right now 7.54%. So we're seeing a lot of really positive news. Let's take a look at the OG portfolio in the house, and let's get it. Remember, this is not financial advice, guys. This is just the OG expressing opinions for educational purposes only. And right now we're seeing that we are still up 23%. Even though we had all these losses and we had all these Debbie Downer events, we're still seeing that overall we are still up 23%. Sure, we've lost some unrealized gains because we held on, but remember, we haven't lost anything because we haven't sold anything. And this is really important that you guys understand. It is so important that you have a diversified portfolio and don't put all your eggs in one basket. So I like to have 50-25-25 rule, 50% in Bitcoin, 25% in Ethereum, and the other 20% I like the top 10 or 15 projects, and then the other 5% is for my Moonboy bags, guys. So that's what you should be doing. This is not financial advice, and this is just sound as a pound advice, guys. So right now we're seeing that the total market cap right now is looking better than it was before. It's at 1.70 trillion, and the volumes right now is 101 billion in the house. We're seeing the Bitcoin dollars has come down, so that is really good. And guys and gals, let's take a look at where we are Bitcoin wise. We're seeing that Bitcoin is now up, guys. We're turning green everywhere, just like the rice field behind me. And we're seeing that Bitcoin is at $35,798. Great news in the house, guys. We're seeing that Ethereum is up 1.33%, and that is really good news. And we're seeing that the whole total markets right now are up around about 2%. So that is looking good, guys. That the markets are coming back. The markets are coming back. I told you they could be coming back. And we're seeing that BNB is up almost 10%, and that's at $386 in the house. ADA is up almost 8%. So I'm happy. I bought ADA yesterday at 98 cents. I told you I would be aping into that like a crazy person. person. And we saw that Solana right now is still down 2%, and it's $101. We're seeing Luna is on fire. It's up almost 20%, and that is great news, guys. We're seeing Dot Layer 1 solution is also up 6.83%. It's at $18. We're seeing the Doge is at 14 cents. It's up 6.36%. We're seeing Avalanche, also a Layer 1 solution, is up 9.12%, and that's at 64.85. We're seeing the Shiba Inu is up 16.81%, and it's on fire right now, so that is really good. So you're seeing that a lot of the altcoins are coming back, guys. So hopefully you guys are feeling a little bit more comfortable out there in crypto land, guys. Hopefully you're feeling a lot better. And guys and gals, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter, guys. Follow. We got 3,782 followers on Twitter. Follow me right now. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe. Don't forget to comment, guys. And don't forget to check out all my links. Buy the channel on Coffee, guys. Show some support for the OG. And don't forget to go over to Wi-Fi Wife's channel, guys. Show some love over there. Subscribe. Show some love, guys. So, guys and gals, don't forget to also gear up with the OG gear. Now's the time to do it. The OG, I called it exactly right. I told you we're going to have a reversal, and we did it, and we're doing it, and it's right there. Guys, you can't deny that I got it right this time. Go and check out the merch. Buy the mug, get the backpack, and guys, don't be weak Nancy's in the house. Pick up the weak Nancy gear. We got tons of weak Nancy gears. You're going to love it. I'm going to love it. We got hoodies. We got bags. All sorts of cool stuff, guys. So go over there and get it. Guys, what a beautiful sight. What an absolute beautiful sight in the house right now, guys. So I just want to say this is OG, the Ric Flair of crypto. Woo, in the house, guys. I love it. I see you in the next one, guys. God bless you. Be well and keep safe, guys. And remember, this is a great time to be alive.